There's another excellent meal here inside the Grand Restaurant on Celebrity Century. Would I be right? Yes? Okay. Well, can I tell you, everybody, that it is our second formal night, and because everybody's dressed and everybody's in that kind of a nice formal mood, we thought it would be very, very nice indeed for you to be able to congratulate our hard-working ladies and gentlemen, both in the restaurant and in the galley behind me. Do you know that they prepare over 10,000 meals per day for all